Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a high-impact, modern CV from scratch that is both visually stunning and ATS-friendly. Phase 1. Building the canvas. We start with the foundation. Go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. We're going to draw a rectangle on the left side to create our sidebar. This sidebar is crucial because it separates your personal branding from your professional history. Now, precision is key. Go to Shape Format. Set the height to 11.83 and the width to 3.24. This specific ratio ensures your sidebar doesn't overwhelm the page, but provides enough room for your contact details and skills. Choose a professional color. I'm going with a deep navy or slate gray, and remove the outline. Position it perfectly against the left edge. Next, let's add a design accent at the top right. Add another shape. Set the size to 3.44 by 2.66. Reduce the thickness slightly and use the Flip Horizontal tool. This creates a balanced, modern look. We'll use a lighter shade here to create contrast. Phase 2. The visual anchor, the profile picture. A professional headshot can make a CV feel more personal. Go to Insert Picture. Once your photo is in, go to Picture Format, click the arrow under Crop, and select Crop to Shape, then choose the circle. This looks much more modern than a standard square. Adjust the positioning so your face is centered, and place it at the top of your sidebar. Phase 3. Identity and contact information. Now we need a text box for your name. Remove the background fill and the border so it floats invisibly over the sidebar. Type your full name in all caps. Use a clean sans serif font like Calibri or Arial. Increase the size to 24 and make it bold. Underneath, we'll add your contact details. Instead of just typing text, we're going to use visual cues. Go to Insert, Icons. Search for phone, email, and location. These icons help recruiters find your info in seconds. A pro tip: make sure your icons are the same size, usually around 0.2 by 0.2, and align them vertically. This attention to detail is what separates a student CV from a professional one. Phase 4. Skills and personal attributes. Let's divide the sidebar into sections. Use a simple line shape to separate your contact info from your skills. For the headers, copy your name text box, change the font size to 20, and rename it Skills. Underneath, list your core competencies. If you are in tech, list your programming languages. If you are in management, list your leadership tools. Repeat this process for languages and hobbies. Remember, keep the spacing consistent. If there is 1 centimeter of space between skills and languages, make sure there is 1 centimeter of space for every other section. Consistency is the secret to professional design. Phase 5. The professional summary. Moving to the main body of the CV, we start with a horizontal black line to anchor the page. Your summary is your elevator pitch. It should be 3 to 4 sentences explaining who you are, what you've achieved, and what you're looking for next. Avoid generic phrases like hard worker. Instead, use results-oriented language like proven track record in optimizing workflows. Phase 6. Experience and education. The experience section is the most important part of your CV. Start with your most recent job and work backward. Bold the job title and the company name. Below that, use bullet points. Use action verbs like developed, managed, or generated. Never say I was responsible for. Instead, say managed a team of 5 to deliver projects 10% ahead of schedule. Finally, we add education. List your degree, the institution, and your graduation year. If you have relevant certifications or projects, this is the place to add them. This section should be clean, readable, and perfectly aligned with the experience section above. Conclusion and export. And there you have it. You've just built a professional high-end CV from a blank page. I hope this tutorial helps you land your dream job. If you found this useful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. In the next few videos, we'll be doing deep dives into Excel and Access masterclasses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.